Hello sentient beings, welcome back to another episode of Basic Batches. I am still your host, Nick Coughlin. In this episode we're going to be looking at bean cassoulet. I was going to be doing a Boston baked beans episode, and then I was researching into the history of Boston baked beans and what makes it up, and I decided, well, why not just go cassoulet? Cassoulet covers everything, including Boston baked beans. If you want to tweak your recipe to make it Boston baked beans, then go for it. But for everybody else, here's an episode for cassoulet. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need carrots, onions, celery, mixed herbs, vegetable stock, garlic, tomato crushed, char-grilled capsicum, button mushrooms, white beans. These have been soaked and rinsed, and miso paste. Peel and cut your mirepoix essentially into large chunks, as I'm doing here with the carrots and then the onions. Or for this, slice down vertically, not all the way to the end, and then twist it 45 degrees and slice down as well. Then you'll be able to get nice chunks. I'm going to chop a little bit more. Now chop your capsicum roughly. Yeah, there we go, that's quite rough. Throw it all in a pot with some oil in it and stir it through. Then add your herbs and then your stock. Stir that through, making sure it's all mixed. Then add your garlic, crush it. Your tomatoes, those are crushed too, stir that. And the char-grilled capsicum, which I'm just adding in as the slices, and the button mushrooms. Next, put your beans in and your miso paste and give that a good stir, and then leave on the cooktop with a lid on for about 10 minutes. While that's happening, set your oven to 200 degrees, mine's on conventional, for about an hour. After that time, you'll take it out. Take the lid off, it's going to be very hot. Give it a stir and serve. There, you are done. Okay, that is the end of the episode. I hope you've got some good handy information out of that one, and I hope you're able to apply it to your own cooking at home from now on. Please remember to like this video and leave a comment. You can subscribe as well, that would be very handy. Also jump onto my Facebook page, facebook.com/basicbatches, my Patreon page, which is a little bit under disrepair, which is patreon.com/basicbatches. My Instagram handle is at Nique, N-I-Q-U-E _of_time, THYME, and I update that quite frequently as well, so jump on that one. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.